What to expect at your first hearing evaluation appointment. Step 1. You will begin by sharing your medical history, your hearing concerns, and lifestyle needs. This helps your hearing care professional to understand your experience. My advice before your appointment, take a moment to reflect on 3 situations where you have noticed difficulty hearing. Do you feel frustrated, tired, or withdrawn after trying to listen in those moments? And if there were a solution, would you be ready to take action to stay connected to the people and moments that matters the most? Step 2 is the ear examination. Your hearing care professional will gently examine your ears and check for wax buildup, signs of ear infections, or any abnormality. Step 3 is the hearing evaluation. You will wear insert earphones in a sound booth and listen to tones at different pitches and volumes. You will also repeat words you hear both in quiet and in noisy setting to assess your speech understanding. An ear pressure test will also be done to check for any signs of ear diseases. Step 4 involves results and recommendations. Your hearing care professional will explain your hearing test results and discuss whether there is a need for medical referral, if there is a presence of a hearing loss, and what it means for your daily life. If hearing loss is detected and no medical referral is needed, your clinician will walk you through some personalized options, such as hearing aids, assisted listening devices, communication strategies, and follow-up care. An in-house demonstration with hearing aids might be offered, so you and your clinician can see the real benefits of amplification, and if the hearing aids works well for you, you might even be able to take them for a test drive in the real world.